So, this is my first ever video making on YouTube, and my name is Hendrix and I'll be presenting you the Renfe from Spain in Europe, which is one of the fastest ones, and it's a pretty nice one. And I'll be showing you the toy. I'll be showing the toy of it right now, which you can't find that many right now because it's kind of hard to find of the toy of it, but I'll be showing you that today. So let's get started. So now we're going to be showing you my Renfe. We're going to be opening this up, right, Papa? Huh? Snickers. Would you like that, right, Papa?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. I'll hold the camera while you do this. Explain what you're doing.
This is what it comes with. Not really the normal packs, which come with a lot of different stuff. This one is different and yeah. We'll be starting with the covers. First, and the curtain will be on. There's like right there.
And explain what you're doing.
So now and then, and we want the curves on this one, which is you'll be having Renfe going through. Now, and then it's going to take us a little time, but it's pretty wide. So this is how it's going to be. Okay. Just a little more. Because this isn't the first time we opened this up. We had this for what year did I get this, Papa? What year did I get this?
Last year, I think, 2 years ago.
I mean, and this came all the way from Spain.
Yes.
Came all the way from Spain, where Renfe actually is. And my channel is called Trainsy. And this is my first video, and my name is Hendrix. And the person that's recording right now is my papa. Stop it. And when my puppy or the antennas. The back part does have an antenna. It's pretty neat.
Mhm.
Yeah. Let's get started. And this is Spanish and English because there's a lot of Spanish in it. And seeing is from Europe. And Spain, but being Papa has been to Spain too. And this is one of the high-speed trains in Spain. One of them. Because there's all kinds of them. This one is the Renfe Express one. To look at them. Baba. What does that sound like? What does that sound like?
You're the one, you gotta be talking.
So first, we are going to be doing this. Okay? So we are almost halfway there. And comes with these. And for our next video, we're going to be making the Amtrak Express train for our next video. I'm going to. It's really nice. It's fireworks. But that's in our second video. But this is our very first video that we made. But on the second video, we're going to do two trains in one. But for this one, we're just going to do one. There's like trains all over this house. All of them. That's why I want to make this channel. Because actually, what I think I like. And who has someone in your family has something to do about trains? That Papa? And what was his name? Okay. This is almost the carpet. Now, these Move back top of. And then for our next video, we're going to do the IC in Germany too, and the implant sounds this. Okay, I don't want to lose the next video. That I'm going to go next week. Maybe coming next week, or you know, like Papa. And I'm 7 years old, and I have this many trains. And then here's one of my small trains, and this is for like not for the little kids to build. And I made this with no map, only by myself. My best Lego train yet that I built. Really nice. There's that car's in the back car. And that car, that car. So we're going to be testing this. We are almost done. We're done. There it is. Now we have to put this. Remember that time that it wasn't working because we burned the car. That was just two passenger cars. And this train can go 300 kilometers. That's on the box. For a club, it can hold 47 passengers. I can't read the rest because it's in. This is from US, and this is a very Spanish company. This is what. Because this company is in Europe, that's why it's Spanish. And we will do our is trying to see if it's going well. This is the first time it's happening, but for me, it's actually very loud. And this is like
That screen.
the best and a cool Renfe. No,
Huh?
no. And inside you can't see, but it's a really cool train outside. That's it for today. This is Hendrix signing off. And please like and subscribe.